Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word satisfying. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Eating a delicious home-cooked meal after a long day at work is always satisfying. The word satisfying means providing fulfillment or contentment, typically resulting from achieving a desired outcome or meeting one's expectations or needs. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.